Imanyano yesizwe yabasebenzi besinyithi iNUMSA ibambe inkomfa yayo yesizwe emayelana neengxoxo zabasebenzi esentini kwangoko namhlanje. Ngethuba lenkomfa le manyano yabasebenzi ixoxe ngamabango abasebenzi abaphuma kwiinkampani ezahlukeneyo. INUMSA ikwaqalasele imingeni enayo kwidabi layo eliqhubayo lokulwela amalungelo abasebenzi ngelixa ekwazibophelela ekubekeni phambili iimfuno zamalungu ayo.
Imanyano yesizwe yabasebenzi besinyithi boMzantsi Afrika ibambe inkomfa yesizwe yothetha-thethwano ukushukuxa ngeemfuno eziza kungeniswa kumacandelo apho le manyano iza kube ixoxa khona kulo nyaka, ukuquka nokuqaqambisa imiba ebalulekileyo kuyo ukuze iqhubeke ikhule kwaye ilwele abasebenzi.
NUMSA is not a yellow union comrade. We're not just any kind of a union. We're a red revolutionary, Marxist-Leninist inspired union. We're a disciplined revolutionary socialist union. More than ever before, to defeat the bosses in our work ahead, we need that revolutionary discipline and unity. Let us listen very carefully to all presentations. We need the information we can pursue so that we can pursue our struggle from an informed basis. We can't pursue, comrade, any struggle with blunt instruments. We must use the information to defend our jobs, improve wages and conditions of work for our members. I'm confident that this conference is equal to the task. It is not the time to look at the opportunity where the flow is going and follow the flow. It's not the best time. We're talking about jobs of our members, future of our members. It's not time to be opportunistic.
INUMSA ngethuba lale nkomfa ithethe phandle ngobunzima ihlangabezana nabo kuhambo lwayo lokuba lilizwe labasebenzi, kodwa isithi into ebalulekileyo kukunyaniseka nokuthembeka kubasebenzi.
This is not a place for career. It's a place for cadres to advance class struggle in the interest of workers, not for careerists. That's not where we are, comrades. It could happen that when you are here, it can happen that your election as a shop steward somehow bolster you and bolster your career. It can happen by coincidental. It can happen. But that can be the agenda. It cannot be to use workers as a stepping stone towards better things. That's not what a principled leader does. We don't do that. We lead with integrity. We lead with honesty. We take collective leadership and collective responsibility. I don't want to lie on this. It's tough. It's tough. Workers of Nizen will tell you the whole of this month they are not working. We are alive to this reality. Tough. It's not going to be easy. And that's why we need maximum discipline amongst ourselves. Those who have ambitions must please suspend them for now.
Lo mbutho ugxininise ekubeni ubunkokheli bayo abugungqi kumlo wokuba abasebenzi bafumane impatho-ntle, impucuko kunye nemirholo engcono. Kwiindaba zeSoweto TV, ndinguNomzabalazo Mduka, esentini.